to my new listing in Murrells Inlet. This is in the Park West community, and currently there is only one other unit on the market. These normally don't come on the market, so they do go quite quickly. As you can see, there's parking for 2 cars, and there is a 1-car garage, and this is Unit C, which is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath. So come on in, let's take a look. In here, the HOA does take care of your landscaping. So all of this, you can also plant what you want, but you have to get approval, just like in any HOA. Covered porch right here. And here is the main entrance, so come on in. This home does have a nice screened storm door for you. So when you walk in, here is the kitchen. Everything, it's open concept. Stainless steel appliances. Does have a eat-in kitchen as well as a floral dining kitchen over there on the other side. Plus it can seat, I'm saying probably at least 6 at that breakfast nook right there, or breakfast bar. Then this over here is a pantry. And then over here is the 2nd bedroom. And the measurements on this will be online and on my website at vickysellsgrandstrand.com. Here is the 1-car garage, and there is a lot of storage in here. She has an SUV, so you can see it's quite large. Has storage up above as well, and over on this side as well, so there's plenty of storage. Continue on here. We'll go into, this is the foyer right here, so come on and we'll go over here. This is the 1st bedroom. I have measurements also online that you'll be able to get for each of these. Then it does have a separate laundry room as well. And the washer and dryer are staying with the unit. And here is the 2nd bath. It's a full-size bath with a tub and shower insert. And of course the glass doors on there. And then we'll come over here. Here's the dining area. Okay, this is the eat-in dining room. And as you can see, this is a pretty good-sized table. So you can get a nice sized table in here, and it also has these bookshelves, or as this lady does show her pottery in here, so you can do whatever you'd like in here. This is the living area. These are cathedral ceilings as well, so it does make it feel a lot bigger in here. And these are laminate flooring, so to make look like wood, so that's nice. There's actually a lot of closet space as well. Here is another closet, which is pretty good size with a lot of shelving in it. And then here is the primary bedroom, also vaulted ceilings. Goes, and you can see outside there to the, it's very pretty out in the wilderness. We'll go out there as well. The primary bathroom as well has double sinks. This is a walk-in shower. It does have a nice deep pantry for your, or linen closet, excuse me. And a very nice walk-in closet. And there's also some shoe racks right here. There you go. Now let's go outside so I can show you, come on along with me, show you how this is a very quiet area back here in Murrells Inlet. It's in Prince Creek, like I said, in the Park West community. This homeowner has chosen to enclose it, and these are the Easy Breeze windows, which just lift up so your furniture doesn't get all covered with pollen, because we do get pollen very heavily in South Carolina. And then these also are, they come down, they're adjustable, so and they block the heat. So when it gets, too hot, you can do that as well. And then you still have this behind here. So this is a good concrete patio out here that you can put whatever you want on it. A lot of people put tables with umbrellas. You just cannot keep things out in this grass area because you never know when the HOA is going to mow the grass. But you can see how beautiful it is. And right now you can hear in the faint, there is some landscaping going on right here. So this is all on one floor. Again, I am Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand and Realty One Group Dockside. Visit this listing on my website at Vicki Sells Grand Strand. Thank you.